What's up guys, welcome to the big 1-0. I've been making these stupid things for 10 weeks now. Damn, time flies when you're talking to yourself in front of a camera.
Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
So I'm down in the east of the reserve, setting up my top secret experiment that not even my bosses know about. That's how cool I am. I'm joking. Some of them know about it. But I can't tell you about this experiment. If I told you, I would probably have to kill you. I'm joking. I wouldn't have to kill you. It would defeat the whole purpose of the experiment. So for that sake, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. But what I can talk about is living in the moment. I don't know if any of you have seen my best friend's vlog. I'll link it somewhere, probably in the description. He basically spoke about living in the moment and why people suck at it. And I agree. What do I mean by living in the moment? Well, let me give you an example. I went to probably one of the best high schools in South Africa. I'm not even joking. It was an amazing place. It had this beautiful wildlife estate attached to it. The grounds were superb. It was honestly probably one of the most beautiful places in the Natal Midlands. And the whole time I was at that high school, all I could think about, or all that I looked forward to, was going to university and getting drunk with my friends. That was it. So as a result, I missed out on quite a lot. And even to this day, I wish I could go back and appreciate some of the stuff that was right in front of me a lot more. So this is what I mean. I'm sure most of you have a situation in your life where you think, damn, if only I had realized what I had when I had it. We get so distracted on what's to come that we fail to appreciate what is happening right now. I'm super guilty of this. I always spend way too much time fantasizing about what I have to look forward to in my future that I neglect the current situation that I'm in. But not this time, because I am in probably one of the most beautiful parts of my reserve. It is personally my favorite part of the reserve. It's called the Sterkstroom Valley. At the back we've got this massive plain. I don't know if you recognize it. It's from one of my previous vlogs. I was standing round about there when I was shooting it. This is one of the many sites we've been doing, actually one of the smaller sites, and it is massive. I don't know if you can see it in the background. It's like all the way down there. This plain used to be an old airstrip, and it goes on for miles. It goes down like right down there, and it's always packed with game. In fact, quite recently, a couple leopards were spotted in this area. I think that's actually a new thing. I've nearly been killed by buffalo, lion, and this week it's going to be leopard. So that's something to look forward to. I'm appreciating the moment. Where are these things? No, but seriously, the leopard was spotted right here, so I'm going to get back in my car. And I'm safe. No, I never actually understood why people feel safe in these cars, because it is just mostly open, and it's actually, let's be honest, if a leopard really wanted to get you, it would eat you. It will. You guys haven't seen a leopard, have you? Nothing? Cool. Good luck. Behold, the Sterkstroom Valley. Okay, it's really far away, but it's all the way down there. It runs all the way up there and then all the way up there. It looks a lot prettier up close than it does from this distance. Holy crap, it is hot. What the hell? I'm no expert at weather, but I'd estimate it at about 30 to 40 billion degrees Celsius. Pretty sure it'd be cool on the surface of the sun. Anyway, I chose this spot because there's cool LEDs in the background and there's a whole bunch of cool game. Not important. It has been about a day and a half since I was at Sterkstroom shooting that cool B-roll. I meant to finish this vlog when I got back, but as you know, life gets hectic out here and you can't always do what you want. And if I'm to be honest, not much has really happened in the last day and a half.
Yeah, it's okay.
Where the f am I? Yeah, it's been pretty quiet. Oh well. So I was talking about living in the moment and all of that fun stuff. But what I really just want to emphasize is that I'm not saying you mustn't have your dreams, your aspirations, and your goals. I mean, have those, but don't let them consume your everyday life. Like, I mean, great, work for them hard, do what you need to do, but just take time to stop and appreciate what you have, because life can change like that. But I don't want to talk too much in this vlog because I spoke way too much last week and I didn't do much cool stuff. I'm going to be heading back to camp now. It's a bit of a long drive, but it's a pleasurable drive. I thought while I was down in the south I might as well try to find my friend Thuli. I didn't look very hard, to be honest, because it's hot, and from experience I just know I'm not going to find her unless I'm just not going to find her. I am currently stuck behind Ellie's on the way to where I need to be. These guys are frustrating. They just take their time. They just walk on the road, no worries, no matter if there's tons of people around, they just stick to where they're going. But I'm on my way now to Eastgate. It's up there in the background. My super top secret experiment has come to an end. So I need to go collect my stuff from there, and I could probably actually tell you now what the experiment was about. It was a traffic survey. Nothing cool. Bet you guys will think it was something amazing. Yeah, well, think again, it wasn't. It was pretty lame. I don't even know why I told you it was top secret at the beginning of the vlog, because you would see both parts at the same time because they're in the same vlog. Never mind, my logic is flawless, let's not question it. Hopefully I'll get back tonight sometime before tomorrow if these elephants decide to get out my way, but they're not. I finally managed to get past the elephants after like literally waiting behind them for like 2 hours. It was... and I couldn't even turn around and go back the other way because there was another elephant down that road. These elephants are just giving me a headache lately. But anyway, what I want you to get out of this week's vlog is this. Have your goals, have your dreams, and have your aspirations, and work towards them as hard as you can. But don't let them consume you, because nothing is guaranteed. Because your life today might be very different from your life tomorrow. And your goals and your dreams and aspirations might be very different tomorrow. And you'll be left wondering, what have I been doing with my life this whole time? Just enjoy the moment you're in now. Appreciate your situation and what you have. Sometimes what you have right now is much better than what you actually think it is. So that's my point. Just take a step back and enjoy what you have. Enjoy the moment you're in, enjoy your situation, and just make the most of your life, really. Don't want to sound too preachy. Don't forget to go subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel, put his link up there, and go check out his Instagram. We post some pretty cool stuff. His drone footage is also amazing. I use a lot of it in my vlogs. And I should probably pay him, but I don't. He's just a good bro that way. How amazing is that view? This is why this part of the reserve is like my absolute favorite. Now they shut down the office.